Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of the beginner guitar course. So far you've learned a few important chords, G, C, D, and yesterday we started working on strumming and rhythm. Today we're going to add 2 brand new chords that will open up loads of songs for you. These chords are called E minor and A minor. The great news is one of them is one of the easiest chords on the guitar. So let's get started. We're going to start with E minor, often written as EM. This chord only uses 2 fingers, which makes it perfect for beginners. Place your second finger, so that's the middle one there, on the A string, 2nd fret. Then place your third finger on the 2nd fret of the D string just underneath it. And that's it. Everything else stays open. You can strum all 6 strings. Let me play that for you. So it's got a nice deep sound. So now try playing it with me. Let's do 4 slow strums. Down, 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 down. Good. Make sure your fingers are pressing just behind the fret so the sound rings clearly. So just here, behind the metal line there. So let's play that again together. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and then down, 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 down. Okay? So we're going to go and 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 and down. Nice and relaxed. Remember, your hands should stay loose while you strum. Now, let's learn our second chord for today, and that's A minor, or AM for short. This one uses 3 fingers. Place your first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, of the B string. Then place your middle finger here, 2nd finger, on the 2nd fret of the D string. So that's the 3rd thickest there. Then your 3rd finger goes just underneath that 2nd fret of the 3rd string there, the G string. For this chord, we strum from the A string down, so that's the 2nd thickest there. Now let me play it here. Play slowly. This chord has slightly sadder sounds. That's why minor chords often feel like it sounds a little sad. Okay? Now try it with me. And down, 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 down. Great job. Now let's practice switching between those 2 chords. This is where your fingers start learning where to go automatically. We'll play 4 strums on each chord, and we're going to start with E minor. Okay, so we're going to do 2nd and 3rd fingers, and we're going to go down, 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 and down. Then you're just going to switch to A minor, so you're going to move these 2 just down 1, and put your 1st finger on that 1st fret there. Down, 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 nice and steady, and then go back. So moving those 2 back up. Down, 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 and then back down. Okay, good. Don't worry if your fingers feel slow, that's completely normal at this stage. Now let's add the same downstroke rhythm we learned yesterday, just to keep it simple. Down, 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 and down. Let's play that E minor to A minor again. 2, 3, 4, and then move those 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Now let's try a super simple song that uses E minor. Okay, this song is called Horse with No Name by America. If you haven't heard it, pause this, go have a quick listen. Really nice song. We're going to simplify it a little bit today. We're going to start with E minor. So just there. 2, 3, 4. Now once you've strummed that 4 times, you just split your fingers. So 1 goes up and 1 goes down, and then you strum those. 2, 3, 4. Just keep that nice steady rhythm. This song is all about feel and groove, not complicated chords. The original strumming pattern is quite complicated, I would say, but we're going to keep it nice and simple today. So in the original, if you want to keep time, just play each one twice. So E minor, 1, 2, down, horse with no name, dee 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 dee. So have some fun with that and keep it nice and relaxed as much as you can. Let's do one more exercise. We'll cycle between the chords you've learnt recently. Now, these 4 chords are used in hundreds of songs, so this is really a shortcut for you. So you're going to start with a G, and you're going to do 4 strums. And then we're going to go to E minor. Just this one up here. And then we're going to go to the first fret C, 2nd string. 2, 3, 4, and then the D chord, which is 2, 3, 2. Now let's do that more fluently. So 4, 1, 2 on the G, 3, 4, and E minor, 2, 3, 4, and a C. Oops, little C, 3, 4, and a big D, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great work. That's exactly how songs are built, just simple chords in a sequence. So try mixing them up if you feel confident. If not, just keep going through those 4 chords. Okay. Nice work today. You learned 2 brand new chords, E minor and A minor, and practice switching between them. You also use them with the rhythm we learned yesterday. So your practice today is spend 5 minutes practicing the E minor chord, spend 5 minutes switching between E minor and A minor, then try and play the progression G, E minor, C, and D, nice and slow, and then try the America song, Horse with No Name, which is where you play the E minor twice, and then you split the fingers, one goes up, one goes down, and then you keep jumping between those. Okay, tomorrow we're going to take everything you've learned so far and start playing longer chord progressions that appear in loads of famous songs. So I'll see you in day 5. Bye.